Smart culture, mathematics.
The future value annuity formula calculates the future value of a series of equal payments at regular intervals, compounded at a certain interest rate. Now, to derive the future value annuity formula, consider making a series of equal payments. Let's call each payment P at the end of each period into an account that compounds interest at a rate R per period. If you want to determine the future value of these payments after M periods, you'd see the payments grow due to the compound interest. Now let's break down these contributions. So the last payment made at the end of the nth period will not earn any interest. So its future value contribution is simply P. The payment made at the end of the n-1th period will earn interest for one period only. So that means its future value contribution will be P, in brackets we have 1 plus R. The payment made at the end of the n-2th period will earn interest for 2 periods only. So that means the contribution will be P, in brackets we have 1 plus R squared. Now the first payment will earn interest for n-1 periods. So that means its contribution will be P, in brackets we have 1 plus R, and then we have an exponent of n-1. Now if you sum these contributions up, you get the total future value of the annuity. So that will be P plus P in brackets 1 plus R plus P in brackets 1 plus R squared, and then the last term will be P in brackets 1 plus R to the power of n-1. Notice that here we have a geometric series where each term is multiplied by a common ratio 1 plus R from the preceding term. Now the sum of a geometric series, a plus ar plus ar squared, and then the last term, ar to the power of n-1, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio, is given by the following formula. Sn is equal to a multiplied by r to the power of n-1 divided by r minus 1. Now let's relate the annuity problem to the geometric series. In our annuity scenario, a will be equal to x and r will be equal to 1 plus I. Now remember, I represents the interest rate. So if you substitute a with x and r with 1 plus I, then you get x multiplied by 1 plus I to the power of n-1 divided by 1 plus I minus 1, and then we can simplify the denominator, and then we get x multiplied by 1 plus I to the power of n-1 divided by I. And this is the future value formula.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.